All right, let's make a cozy chicken and red lentil soup with a tangy, lemony yogurt on top. It's thick, soothing, and weeknight easy. Here's what I'm using. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, all diced, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 teaspoon turmeric, pinch of chili flakes, 1 cup red lentils, rinsed, 1 pound cooked shredded chicken, or 2 raw boneless thighs if you want to poach right in the pot, 6 cups chicken stock, salt and pepper. For the lemony yogurt, 3 pour 4 cup plain yogurt, zest of 1 lemon, juice of 1 lemon, pinch of salt, drizzle of olive oil. Fresh herbs to finish, parsley or dill. First, the yogurt topper. In a small bowl, stir the yogurt with lemon zest, half the lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a tiny drizzle of olive oil. Taste. If you like it brighter, add more juice. Chill it so it gets extra silky. Now the soup. Pot on medium heat, olive oil in. Add onion, add carrot, add celery with a pinch of salt. Cook until soft and a little sweet, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in garlic, stir in cumin, stir in smoked paprika, stir in turmeric, stir in a pinch of chili flakes. Let the spices bloom for 30 seconds until fragrant. Rinse those red lentils until the water runs mostly clear. Add them to the pot. Pour in the chicken stock. Stir, bring to a simmer, then lower the heat. If you're using raw chicken thighs, slide them in now. Lid on, simmer 18 to 20 minutes until the lentils are tender and starting to fall apart. If you poached thighs, pull them out, shred with 2 forks, then return the chicken to the pot. If you're using pre-cooked shredded chicken, just add it now and warm through for 3 to 5 minutes. Time to adjust texture. Use a stick blender for 3 or 4 quick pulses. Don't puree all the way. If you're using a countertop blender, ladle out a portion, blend carefully with the lid vented and a towel on top, then return it to the pot. Add a splash of water or stock if it's too thick. Season with salt and black pepper. Squeeze in the rest of the lemon if you want a bright finish. Taste again. Ladle into bowls. Spoon over that lemony yogurt. Sprinkle parsley, or sprinkle dill, crack pepper. Drizzle olive oil if you're feeling fancy. Serve with warm bread. Serve with a toasty pita. It's creamy without cream, protein-packed, and exactly what I crave on a chilly night. Make a double batch. It reheats like a dream. If you try it, tell me how you riffed on it. Extra chili, leftover rotisserie, or a handful of spinach at the end. Happy cooking!